Hello guys, welcome back to the Wolf, and I'm back again today with a quick video. This is an updated video on what has happened in the last 48 hours, and I suggested some cryptos in the previous video like Polkadot, Cardano, etc. But I guess the opportunity is missed there, and it's okay because some new trades are going to be discussed in today's video. So let's get to the charts. First and foremost, I am talking today about S&P 500 because I hope you remembered the last video on S&P 500 where I took a trade, and well, right now it is not going in favor of us, it is going against us right now. So we are in slight loss, but let's see what happens. Well, not to panic, either the SL will get hit or the take profit will get hit. So it's better to have some patience and just look at the charts, that's it. And not to hurry or FOMO or let any emotion enter in our trade. So this is just a quick trade update on S&P 500. And I also shared this on my Twitter too. So do follow me on my Twitter as well. You will get latest to the point updates there. Okay, so enough of promote. Right now I'm on the DYDX chart right here, and I hope you remembered I also gave a trade update, new trade on DYDX, a couple of videos in the past, and I also shared a tweet on my Twitter that I will enter in DYDX when the price comes till here at $2.826 level. I will be going long on DYDX with a conditional long order, and well, my order has been met successfully, and as soon as the price came near my entry level, it pumped to the upside. So well, right now the DYDX is in profits, giving us some profits right here. Trade is going in favor of us right now. Let's see what happens. I'm worried about this point right here because there is important resistance zone right here, and also this downwards trend line. These two can act as a very important resistance for DYDX. So I'm just worried about this point right here of our trade. If the price of DYDX breaks this to the upside perfectly, then I'm pretty sure that it will go all the way up to its high, recent high I would say, at approx $4.342, which is our take. Just arriving to the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and as I told you that there are chances it will go in this order block zone, very important zone, ranging from 44.5 to 48k level to this. Well, after a continuous pump, the Bitcoin's price is right now giving a halt, or the bulls are right now exhausted. But what I am assuming is that the price will touch this zone and has to touch this zone and will go inside it. So let's wait for some time, and as I told you that we'll get a next trade opportunity only in this zone. So either the price will break this zone to the upside or will get a reversal from here, then only we'll trade. We'll not enter right now also, especially I'll not enter. You can do your own analysis, and it's up to you if you want to enter or not, but also do your own analysis as well. Don't just listen to me or any other influencer out there. SAND USD chart right now. If you guys don't know, SAND is an altcoin, I would say Web3 game, and right now I've just found a new very good opportunity in SAND. So what I'm expecting is, right now it is at a very important resistance zone right here, ranging from 0.4549 to 0.4766 exact levels right here. So what I'm expecting is that if the price of SAND breaks this zone to the upside, as I have always told you that with a perfect retest or with a heavy volume candle, then we'll go long on SAND. I will specially go long on SAND, and also do your own analysis. I'm saying this again and again because don't just listen to me as a tip, it's just an advice. Because what I assume is that after a huge incessant pump in SAND USD, the price did a, I would say, cool down. We can see an impulse, then a correction. And now what I expect from sand is that it can go all the way up for one more impulsive move right there. So right now it's not the best time for me to enter in sand because it is facing a heavy resistance in this whole resistance zone. So I will wait for the price either to get a reversal to the downside, so I'll go short on sand, or I will go long on sand too. So I will share my targets for the long and short both, but when I'll get some entry in this pair, then only I'll share, or else I won't share at all. So do follow me Twitter as well. Also I'll make a video too, so don't worry on that. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. And talking about Cardano and Polkadot, well, we did not find any entry there. They continued their pump to the upside without any retest. So yeah, the Cardano and Polkadot is right now out of my trading portfolio. Sand is on my waiting list, and let's see what happens in sand. Will we get an entry or not? But our current running trades are S&P 500 and DYDX, so let's see how they perform in the future. This is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do create an account on Bybit to trade crypto, and on Exness to trade stocks, futures and forex, and I'll see you guys next time.